Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to download and install WhatsApp on PC or laptop. So let's get into the video. Once you're in your Chrome browser, search for WhatsApp, download, WhatsApp for PC. Either ways, it is okay. Then go on this website. There are several options if you want to install it for Mac OS or iOS or Windows. As my one is Windows, I'm going to download it and click on download, and here click on start download. Open it. Here currently my WhatsApp is downloading from Microsoft Store. Once the file is downloaded, it will be open for you and you have to click on get started. All you have to do is scan the QR code or link with your phone number from your WhatsApp on your mobile. I have made this video for you earlier. You can head over to my channel and just watch it to know how to set up WhatsApp on your computer, and then you will be able to use your WhatsApp account on your laptop or PC that you're using. That's for today. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.